Hello, hello, it's Sheila, and welcome to Upskilling After 40. Well, this channel is aimed to help older Filipino professionals discover new possibilities through simple and practical tools. So, ikaw ba? Ikaw ba ay struggling to keep track of your work, family, and personal time? Well, let me show you how Google Calendar can help simplify your life in just a few clicks. All right. So I'll just show you the essentials to keep it light ha, to keep this short then. Let's focus on three key features ng Google Calendar. First off, you go to your browser, web browser, and type in google.com para makarating kayo sa page na to. And then on to you'll find this nine dots para makita nyo lahat ng mga Google applications, and then you click on the calendar icon here. All right. To add an event, you click this create button here, set the time, date, and add a description para you can keep track of the details. And by the way, you can even set reminders here. So, for example, we are organizing a Christmas party with a family. So we put in family Christmas party and we set the date. For example, let's choose the 22nd bilang Sunday, and Sunday is a family day, and we want to do it over lunch. Say 1 till 4. 3 hours should be enough, no? You can just add who you want to invite here. Let's say I want to invite my husband. So I'll put in his email address there, and you can just add as many guests as you can. Okay. For the location, where do you want to do this Christmas party? Kunwari, let's do it at the Mall of the Emirates. Mall of the Emirates. Ayan. Click on this and then save it. So once you save this, bibigyan kayo ng option ni Google if you want to send the invitation email to the guests. In this case, I'll choose to send there. So automatically, makikita nyo na siya sa calendar nyo. You can, by the way, choose to see the view on a daily basis. Yan. On a weekly basis, ganyan. Monthly, and even yearly. So let's go back to the day view. There. Ayan. And if we want to edit this and naisip natin, actually want to set a reminder, let them, get them notified a week prior to the event so they can also prepare. So we click on this and then find this pen or pencil here, edit event, and choose to notify them, sabi natin kanina, a week prior. So let's put 1 week. Ah, naisip mo pa rin, you want to set a theme. Well, obviously, it's Christmas, so yun na yung theme. Pero you want them to wear something red and green. And also, you have a designated parking sa mall. So just put in the parking details. Ayan. Tapos, once we save it, again, bibigyan ka na naman ni Google ng option to update your guests with an email. Pwede ka rin maglagay dito ng optional message for them. Say, FYI, updated details here. You can either choose to send or don't send. But since may gusto akong sabihin dito, I'll send this. There. The other thing that I wanted to show you is the color coding feature. So we use colors here to organize events. Kasi it makes your schedule visually clear and easy to manage. I'll show you something ha. Kunwari nasa year tayo. Or actually, month. Try natin yung monthly para easier to see. Ayan. So, lahat ng mga in-input ko, nag-appear siya na green. Pagka marami siyang, halimbawa, ilang days siya, isang malaking bar siya na green na lalabas. Pero kapag yung ilang hours lang within a day, dot lang siya na green. Pero green pa rin. Bilang yung um, Google account ko is nakalink sa aking Facebook account, it also shows yung mga birthdays ng Facebook friends ko. So, eto, yung mga birthdays, naka-set siya as, what color is this exactly? Amethyst. So, if I click on this, makikita lahat ng mga birthdays ng mga friends ko, amethyst. Ayun. So that's about it. If I actually click on both, I'll find all the events, all the tasks that I've created here on my calendar, as well as the birthdays that I need to actually note. Kasi maaring kailangan natin bumili ng gift or mag-attend ng party, ganon. Okay. Another important feature that I'd like to highlight is the time blocking feature of Google Calendar. This is where we reserve yung mga chunks of time for focused tasks like an hour for emails or half an hour for exercise, ganun. Kasi time blocking helps us stay productive and stress-free. So try natin. For example, from December 30th, Monday, bilang Monday, mag-start tayo ng Monday. We want to um, do a bit of an exercise. Half an hour, ganyan. Let's put, try natin ang morning. Ayan, kunwari, 6:30 till 7 a.m. Tapos, gusto natin siyang gawin, say, on a daily basis para lagi tayong na remind. Kasi, alam mo yung sabi nga nila design your environment para makatulong sa pag-build ng habit. So, etong habit na to, importante to bilang New Year, New Me, ganon, New Year, New You. Try natin to. So, exercise every 6:30 till 7 a.m. Dead mo na sa location kung saan ka abutin ng exercise mo. I-save natin. You see? Andyan na siya every day. Well, learning tools like Google Calendar might feel challenging at first. Remember lang, it's never too late talaga to learn something new. So, kapit lang. And we always have to stay on top of our game, stay on top of our busy lives. So, if you found this helpful, mag-subscribe ka na ha to Upscaling After 40 for more simple tutorials and motivational tips. Salamat! Bye!